Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw and color an adorable little turtle using glitter colors. Let's get started! Welcome to Glitty Art! First, I draw the head side of the turtle. Then I add the mouth, eyes, and nose. Next, I draw the vertebral shell in the middle of the back and the nutshell shell at the front. After that, I draw the costal shells on the sides of the back. Now I draw the legs, claws, and a small tail to complete the body. A turtle is a reptile known for its hard shell that protects its body. Now it's time to color. First, I use gray and black for the eyes and nose. A turtle shell is made of over 50 bones. It's actually part of its skeleton. Then I color the vertebral and costal shells with red. Turtles can live a long time, some up to 100 years or more. After that, I use yellow for the nutshell shell and the claws. And finally, I color the entire body, head, legs, tail, using green to make our turtle look bright and shiny. Turtles may move slowly, but they have great memories and a strong sense of direction. Our cute turtle is all finished and looking awesome. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Glitty RT for more fun and glittery drawing videos. See you next time. Bye!